Hey, it's Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how I use my Blackstone griddle to cook breakfast. So first thing first, we got to turn on the propane. And then this griddle lights up so easily. So I'm going to open the top so you can see a nice big surface. But all you have to do is turn on the knobs to the orange right there, and then hit the button in, and then it ignites up. Okay, so a little bit about my Blackstone flat top. This is the 4-burner version, so that means it has 4 elements underneath that heat up this ginormous flat top. The reason I love this is you can make a ton of stuff for breakfast, so that's what I'm doing this morning. You can also do stir fry. I love doing vegetables on it on a weeknight. It just heats up so nicely. You can do smothered chicken on it too. So first thing first, I'm gonna dump on my sausage. I have 24 sausage links, and as you can see, there's still quite a bit of room on the surface of this flat top, so we'll get those down. And then on this side, I will heat up my pancakes, so I will probably adjust my temperature down a little bit, but that's the nice thing about these Blackstones is there is enough surface area where you can have designated sections for your cooking. So pancakes will go here, sausage will go here. Okay, so I have my sausage and pancakes cooking. The nice thing about this Blackstone is it does have a nice lid, so it keeps your things warm and helps keep things evenly cooked. So some other great features about this flat top griddle is it has hooks for you to hang off your accessories, your tongs, your spatulas, you name it. It has a nice shelf here where you can put your spices or oils, anything you need to cook. Underneath is a hidden paper towel holder, which is nice. Again, another storage shelf. And then also has 2 ginormous shelves on each side of the flat top. So you have prep space for obviously pancake batter right now today. And then I have my spatula here. But as you can see, I can also hang that spatula there. So it's easy access. So great features of this Blackstone flat top. So let's check on our pancakes and sausage. Ooh, as you can see, look at how nice these pancakes cooked up. Go ahead and flip them. And I mean, look at how perfect these are. I mean, you can't go wrong with a flat top by Blackstone. Just so convenient, so nice. So I got my pancakes, my sausage. I even have room to put some eggs on here. But if you don't have a Blackstone and are on the fence about getting one, let me tell you, you will not regret the investment. They are perfect. They come in multiple different sizes, so it can fit the area that you have outside, and you will fall in love with it, and they're awesome. So check out a Blackstone flat top.